Hello dear children, this is the another question related to sound A, E and I. I am giving you the question, make words from the given sounds. I am giving you some sounds. You have to make words from these sounds. So this is AD add and I am giving you example. This is BAD bad. So you have to make another words like LAD lad, SAD sad, etc. This is ET it. So I am writing here PET pet. You have to make another like set, wet, jet or whatever you want. This is IT it. So one example is SIT sit. Another is fit, wit, etc. This is IP ip. So I am giving here SIP sip. You have to make another words like tip, rip, etc. This is ANN. So I am giving you FAN fan. You have to make like ran, can, etc. This is ED ed. So I am giving FED fed. Some others are TED ted, BED bed, etc. Last one is AB ab. So I am giving here CAB cab. And you have to make some other words like TAB tab and some other. Okay, so do it carefully and do in your English copy. Thank you children.